There we go, he loves it. You can tell. Huh? Oh yeah, he wants one. I'm like this. The waiter. You can tell these are Mexican coati because they love tortillas. I love these. Take that and let's see if we can get me feeding somewhere.
Oh no.